Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got this awesome aluminum panel from Craft Shop Metals. You can see craftshopmetals.com. It says archival, smooth and rigid, lightweight, recyclable, reversible, unbreakable, non-toxic finish. And this is specifically designed for artists. Also, I just love how they package this. So we're gonna try this out today, and it was designed also specifically to the way it's rounded on the edges so that you shouldn't get those resin drips, basically. And I'm also gonna take this opportunity to try out some more of the new Stone Coat products. So these are both Alumidust gold and blue green, and then we have the Alumilite white opaque dye and ocean blue translucent dye. So we're going to try these 4 products with Stone Coat Countertops epoxy. I'm using the countertop resin. So here we go. Alright, I did go ahead and put them up on the little tabletop tripod things. So I'm going to start with this ocean blue. Gorgeous color in the cup, at least. Although it looks black there, I can tell it's not, so don't worry. And then here's the white. I do want to put these next to each other to get the full effects. I'm kind of just trying out both of these products now, so I'm really excited about this aluminum panel though, and it's no prep needed. Just go ahead and paint straight on it. Alright, those are our 2 main colors, and then we have these mica powders. So these are metallic, whereas the other ones are not. Oops. Okay, and then a little bit of gold. I like to not go too crazy with the gold. Just use it as a little bit of an accent. All right, and at this stage, I could either torch it and move it around or heat gun it. I am going to heat gun it because that's my favorite. So, oh my gosh, gorgeous. First of all, love these colors. Second of all, I can already tell that I'm super in love with this panel. Like, this is the coolest thing since sliced bread. Like, to have it just be able to just flow over like that, and it just looks gorgeous. Yeah, so check out all of these. These are all Mixed Media Girl totally approved. Let's go ahead and do our close-up on this. It is so pretty. All right, so I specifically want to show you this rounded edge. So pretty. So like I said, they designed this specifically to catch those drips. And then just, oh my gosh, look at these colors together. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. I am loving this. I'm glad I didn't use more gold than that, because I think it's just the perfect amount, just peeking through. And I didn't use any black, but because of that dark blue, we've got the nice contrast. I really love, this is my favorite part, right here. It's a little hard to go around because it's round. Oh my gosh, that sounds silly. Okay, I'm going to just go slowly all the way around, because I'm used to doing my corners, and this doesn't have corners. And back to the beginning. Now this is something interesting here. These kind of like dots. But I actually really like that. And they're not even all over. They're specifically near the white. So I'm wondering if that's just an effect of this white, or if I just didn't mix it in fully or something. But anyways, gorgeous. All right, guys. So definitely check out the site for these aluminum panels. I totally recommend getting some. They're amazing. And then yeah, try Stone Coat's new products that they are rolling out left, right, and center. Exciting stuff. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.